Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to resubscribe to Mailchimp. Basically, Mailchimp, when you try to subscribe for the first time and you cancel your subscription, it can be a little bit difficult for you guys to resubscribe for their premium packages. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do so. So, what are we going to do? Simply log into your account. After you do so, go ahead right here into your account name, etc., and go to pricing and plans. So from this area, you will find all the packages and every single plan that they have. Of course, we can customize it. So here we have the free one. Let's go down, and there we go. So as you might know already, there is four main plans. The free one, which will give you around monthly email sent in total 1000 and 500 contacts in total, and essential has 5000, standard has 6000, and premium has 150k. Now it depends on which plan you would like to subscribe for. Of course, the free one is your current one. Since you are looking to resubscribe, the free 14 days free trial is not available anymore, so you're only left with premium, standard, and essential. To get them, you simply have to go and click on buy now, for example, and put your payment method. Here, choose which one you would like to pay with, then put your contact address and the tax settings, and then click on pay now. Now, as you can see, after you click on pay now, they will take you to a page where you have to put your card information. Once you have put them in the correct fields, you should click again, and then if they were correct, your permit will proceed, and congratulations, you have resubscribed. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.